Yes. Now we'll discuss about the submandibular region part 2. In this section, we'll discuss about the relations of the hyoglossus muscle. This hyoglossus muscle is key muscle of this region. So we'll discuss about the relations of the hyoglossus. If you cut a coronal section, it passes through this level. You will find here is position of this is tongue. In tongue, there is transverse muscle. These are vertical muscle. These are intrinsic muscle. Here is genioglossus muscle. This is genioglossus muscle. And another muscle. Here is position of superior longitudinal muscle. This is inferior longitudinal muscle. This is superior longitudinal. This is inferior longitudinal. Inferior longitudinal muscle. Here is position of hyoid bone. This is hyoid bone. Greater carnu of the hyoid bone. From hyoid bone, this muscle is hyoglossus muscle. So this muscle is hyoglossus muscle. From hyoid bone to tongue. This hyoglossus here medially related with the inferior longitudinal muscle. This is inferior longitudinal muscle, and this muscle is genioglossus muscle. And superficially, on lateral side, it is related with. Here is one muscle is present. Here is styloid process, and this muscle is styloglossus muscle. This muscle is styloglossus, which lies superficial to this. So here styloglossus muscle is present. This is styloglossus muscle. And another structure, one nerve crosses to this. Here is lingual nerve. This is lingual nerve. It crosses to this. And here is, so here is position of the lingual nerve. This is lingual nerve. And another structure, from lingual nerve here, two roots, anterior and posterior root of the submandibular ganglion. This is submandibular ganglion. So here is submandibular ganglia. This is submandibular ganglia. And another important structure, here is deep part of, here is deep part of submandibular gland. This is submandibular gland. This is submandibular ganglion. This is submandibular gland. So here is position of the submandibular gland. This is deep part of submandibular gland. This. And below to this, and also in anterior side, there is duct. This duct passes upward, then forward, and opens into the summit of sublingual papilla here. And another important thing, this lingual nerve, it crosses this duct and encircles, it crosses from lateral side, then anterior side, then it goes medial side, then turns upward. Its course is like this. It encircles from below, then it goes on medial side. So this is course of the lingual nerve. This is lingual nerve. And this is Watson's duct, or the duct of the submandibular gland. This is duct of the submandibular gland. So this here, and the structure, here is position of, this is hypoglossal nerve, 12th cranial nerve. So here is hypoglossal nerve. This hypoglossal nerve gives supply to the genioglossus, hyoglossus, and it carry fibers of C1 to geniohyoid. the C1 fiber passes with the hypoglossal nerve. This is 12th cranial nerve, hypoglossal nerve. So these structures are superficially related. And deep to this structure, here you can see, and the posterior border of this hypoglossal, one structure, that is, this is nerve. This is glossopharyngeal nerve. Glossopharyngeal nerve. So here lies glossopharyngeal nerve deep to this. Here it lies on posterior border and passes deep to this. So deep to hypoglossal, this is hypoglossal, this is glossopharyngeal nerve. Glossopharyngeal nerve. And the structure, that is stylohyoid ligament. This is stylohyoid ligament. So and the structure is stylohyoid ligament. This is stylohyoid ligament. And another structure which lies along the posterior border is like this. This is lingual artery. Here is lingual artery. This is lingual artery. This is lingual artery, passes deep to this. So this is lingual artery. So these are superficial relations and these are deep relations. And other structures also. Here is position of this is minor. Here is mylohyoid line. This is mylohyoid line. This groove is, or this fossa is submandibular fossa. In this submandibular fossa, one gland lies. This is deep part of the submandibular gland. Here lies superficial part of the submandibular gland. And here is position of, this is mylohyoid muscle. This is mylohyoid muscle. And here is position of this is investing layer of the deep cervical fascia here. So superficial to this gland, these structures are present, and deep to this structure are present. So these are the relation of the hypoglossus muscles.